A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very good opportunity in NZDUSD. So let's start it. Do you see the price is going right now in an uptrend? So, and from this point price went down. So it's mean the price is going down right now. So we have to find out the location from where we could place a sell order. So let me zoom out little bit, then I can show you. Alright, what did you see in this place? It's a strong resistance. Have you noticed that? So this place also acting as a resistance, this place also, this place also. So right now it represents that the price is right now ranging on the strong resistance. It's mean if the price will come to that particular area, the place I have marked, there would be a 70 to 80% chance the price will fall down. 70 to 80% chance. So it is a very good opportunity in NZDUSD to place a sell order. So as I mark this area, this particular area, so let's go back and see how strong this area is it. So we will go back. Alright, till now I couldn't find anything like that. Alright, so you see exact the same area. So it is a very good opportunity for the sell order. So if those who like to place a sell order in NZDUSD, I would suggest you to place a sell order. And what will be a take profit and how much will be a stop loss? So all things I'm gonna calculate and I'll give you. So this would be a stop loss. This would be a stop loss, which will be around 21 pips. Make it 25 pips. Okay, the stop loss will be 25 pips, and your take profit would be at least wait, this much. So let's calculate how much it is. So if I would place a sell order to this area, this would be my stop loss and this would be my take profit. So the ratio would be, okay, the ratio would be, if I'm gonna lose the trade, I will lose 25 pips. Okay, make it 25. And if I'm gonna win this trade, I'm gonna win 51 pips. So it should be like 1:2 ratio. So this is a very good opportunity. So those who like to place a trade in NZDUSD, they can place a buy order, a sell order, and hopefully this trade will work very good gently. So if I would find anything else, any trade, then I will definitely upload a new video. So till now I'm gonna close this session. So meet you with the new video. So till bye, take care and goodbye.